Is your kitchen routine stuck in a rut? Are you craving crispy, delicious meals without the guilt or hassle? This Buydeem F51 8-in-1 air fryer 4.2 quart in Mellow Yellow is here to revolutionize your cooking game. This retro-inspired countertop marvel combines style, versatility, and cutting-edge technology to deliver healthier, faster, and tastier meals. Whether you're a busy parent, a health-conscious foodie, or a novice cook, this air fryer is designed to make your life easier and your meals unforgettable. Why the Buydeem F51 stands out in a crowded market. Air fryers are everywhere, but the Buydeem F51 isn't just another appliance, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Its retro aesthetic paired with modern functionality makes it a conversation piece and a workhorse. Available in mellow yellow and cozy greenish, it adds a pop of personality to any kitchen. But it's not just about looks. With 8 versatile cooking modes, a visible window, and a shake reminder, this 4.2 quart air fryer is engineered for convenience, safety, and precision. Let's break down what makes it a game changer. Key features that make the Buydeem F51 irresistible. 8-in-1 versatility. From crispy fries to juicy wings, tender fish, roasted veggies, sizzling steak, or fluffy baked goods, the Buydeem F51 handles it all. It also offers manual and reheat functions for ultimate flexibility. Customize time and temperature to nail every recipe. Healthier cooking with 90%. Less oil. Thanks to 360-degree heat circulation and advanced carbon fiber heating, you get that golden, crispy texture without drowning your food in oil. Perfect for maintaining a balanced diet without sacrificing flavor. Shake reminder for even cooking. Unevenly cooked fries. Not here. The shake reminder beeps to prompt you to shake the basket, ensuring every bite is perfectly crisp. Visible window for stress-free monitoring. No more guessing games. The double-layer visible window lets you check on your food without opening the fryer, preserving heat and cooking efficiency. One-touch LCD control. The intuitive LCD display makes operation a breeze. Select presets or adjust settings with a single touch, and get real-time updates on cooking progress. Safety. First design. Pull out the basket and the fryer pauses automatically. No need to fumble with buttons. It's a thoughtful feature for busy households or distracted cooks. Easy to clean. The non-stick basket and dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup a snap. A quick wipe with soapy water, rinse, and you're done. Compact. Yet spacious. With a 4.2 quart capacity, it's ideal for small to medium-sized families, fitting neatly on your countertop without hogging space. Real-world performance. Does it deliver? I put the Buydeem F51 through its paces and it exceeded expectations. First up, I tried homemade potato wedges. I tossed them with olive oil and seasoning, selected the potato preset, set the temperature to 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes, and activated the shake reminder. At the 10-minute mark, the fryer beeped, I gave the basket a quick shake, and peeked through the visible window to see them browning beautifully. The result? Golden, crispy wedges that rivaled any restaurant's without the greasy aftermath. Who is the Buydeem F51 perfect for? This air fryer is a dream for busy professionals. Quick, one-touch controls and fast cooking save time on hectic weeknights. Health-conscious cooks enjoy fried favorites with up to 90% less oil, supporting a balanced lifestyle. Small families or couples. The 4.2 quart capacity is just right for 2 to 4 people. Beginner cooks. The intuitive interface and presets make cooking foolproof. If you're tired of complicated appliances or unhealthy cooking methods, the Buydeem F51 is your answer. Pros and cons. A balanced look. Pros: sleek, retro design in mellow yellow or cozy greenish. 8 cooking modes for endless meal possibilities. healthier cooking with minimal oil, user-friendly LCD display and one-touch controls, safety features like auto pause when the basket is removed, easy to clean with dishwasher-safe parts, visible window and shake reminder for perfect results. Cons: 4.2 quart capacity may be small for larger families, 5+ people. Slightly pricier than basic air fryers, but worth it for the features. Limited color options compared to some competitors. Why you should buy the Buydeem F51 today. The Buydeem F51 8-in-1 air fryer isn't just an appliance, it's a ticket to effortless, delicious, and healthier meals. Its retro charm, versatile cooking modes, and user-friendly features make it a standout in 2025's crowded air fryer market. Whether you're whipping up a quick weeknight dinner or impressing guests with gourmet snacks, this air fryer delivers every time. Plus, its compact design and easy cleanup mean you'll actually use it, not stash it away. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.